Hi Siobhan, we're recording this little video to wish you a very, very happy birthday. And I am a bit selfish, but I'm gonna tell you to live a very, very long and healthy and happy life so you can organize a lot of Scoil in the future. And so we're a part of a bigger surprise, and yes, have a great day.
Yes. Also, this is take 4. I was much more surprised by the surprise in take 1, but now you know.
Yes, we had cats and laughs and everything. But
do you want to make this multilingual?
What?
Wszystkiego najlepszego.
Wszystkiego najlepszego, tak, 100 lat.
Sitting here silently in the dark.
We're almost all here. We're still waiting for a couple of stray people. Yes. But
I said I'd laid down the law this year. I said don't do anything this year. Don't pull any fast ones.
There wasn't actually. It just kind of happened.
Yeah, it just happened. The 30 people sit in the room quietly in the dark for hours.
It happens.
Yes, it's the weirdest thing.
It's the weirdest thing.
It was very exciting to sit in the dark.
Wasn't it? It was so lovely. It's a lot of you.
So still waiting for a couple of people because we had a bit of a rush start, but do I hear them downstairs?
We could all sit in the dark again. I could join you in the dark.
Come back out.
I just come back out. We turn off the lights. I'll tell you what, we'll just go to the pub. See how long they stay quietly compliant to the dark.
Here. Oh my gosh.
So
yes, so you have to start with that, and so we gradually.
It's okay. We can.
It's Janet Harkness and Maura are coming.
Yes.
Sweetie.
I didn't take it out of that.
Thank you. No, Barbara, you old pet. Thank you.
Well, yes, this is all of them. Yeah.
Look, can we please give these people a drink? They've been sitting here for hours dry. Just 4 drinks. Thank you.
Okay, so who's for up for red and who is up for
So let's 4 drinks for everybody.
choose.
Oh, Siobhan, sit down. Sit. Oh, you see, maybe I wasn't supposed to see this.
Hi Siobhan, I want to wish you a very happy birthday.
Ciao maestra bellissima, tanti auguri, ti voglio bene.
Hi Siobhan, I found a tune that I thought would really suit your birthday. I just started working on it. Happy birthday!
Hi. Happy birthday, Siobhan.
We are fine in Tokyo, enjoying our life with music.
And we are looking forward to seeing you again. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Hi Siobhan, I hope you have a lovely birthday. All the very best.
Hi Siobhan, it's Jacqueline here in Hayward, California, where I'm visiting my father in his apartment with all his artwork on the walls and his wood carvings over there. I hear it's your birthday, and I want to wish you a very, very happy birthday. I can't wait to see what's in store this year in videos for the school, and I can't wait to see you guys again once the COVID-19 is over with. So, happy birthday. Bye.
Birthday to you.
Say happy birthday, Siobhan.
Happy birthday, Siobhan.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Hi Siobhan, happy birthday. I just finished editing everyone's videos and realized I never did one for myself. Anyway, I so wish we were all there to embarrass you by singing this year, but I hope this video at least makes you smile. And thank you so much for being such an amazing historical harp inspiration to me, and I'm sure so many other people. Cheers, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Siobhan Armstrong. 16 August 2020, COVID-19, COVID-19. Happy birthday, Siobhan Armstrong. You have to love turning 1 year older, it's a good thing, it's a good thing. Belated birthday, Maura Cronin. 15 August 2020, COVID-19, COVID-19. Belated birthday, Maura Cronin. Hope you survive another year, 'twould be a good thing, 'twould be a good thing.
And everyone who's watching, it's time to break out the Prosecco or the tea or whiskey. And Charlie, honors here.
Okay, let's see. Woo!
Oops.
Another one. All right.
So this is the bubbly. A little more in yours, please, sir. And mine. And cheers, slancha, to you, Siobhan, and I believe maybe John. And if I have no idea who's watching.
Oh, she?
Yes, yes. And there we are. Okay, here we go. Here's to 2020.
And 2020 more.
Oh, it's nice.
That's very good.
Yeah. Okay, well let's get the show on the road, honey. Okay.
Let's see.
you go. Yeah. Have a great day and a great week, in spite that we can't be with you.